Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today we're going to be talking about my 5 favorite gardening tips. Number 1, just get comfy. Pull your hair back, put on some comfy clothes, something you don't mind getting dirty in, t-shirts, blue jeans, whatever dress you like, but be comfortable and get dirty. That's number 1. My number 2 tip. Always pick things early in the morning. We try to get out and get everything done before 8 o'clock. Some mornings we're out at 6 as soon as it's daylight because all your veggies are fresher after being overnight. If you wait up in the day, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the sun is drawing the moisture out of your plants. So they are fresher, taste better when they're harvested early in the morning. Number 3. Water late. Harvest early, water late. It's better to water everything late in the evenings, just before dark. Don't water like hose water like most people you see do. Put it at the ground. It needs to be at the ground. Don't let it splatter dirt up on your plants. If you do not have drip irrigation, then water at the roots. Don't spray it. Do you see this? This is briars. I'm going to show you my tip number 4. Guys, tip number 4. Wear gloves when handling briars. But if you don't have gloves, I'll show you what to do. These gloves were white. I pulled a lot of weeds this week and it kind of got them dirty. But if you're going to be pulling briars, you want to find where they go to the root, like here, and pull them up and get them out from, get it where I don't pull my garlic up. You want to pull the roots up. Okay, if you can dig down, there's briars starting all the way right at the dirt level. But if you can dig down right here, there's no briars here. So if you can dig down in the dirt this much, you can get a hold of it and pull. And I'll show you with another briar. Let's get that one out of the way. So what I usually do if I don't have gloves, here's another briar right here. And I take and dig down where the root is. And when you pull it up, you can pull it. And you don't have to have gloves. You just got to be very vigilant and pay attention to where they're at. And if you don't get up under the root, you will get a handful of briars. But see, that part doesn't have briars. So my last tip, my number 1 tip, garden like your life depends on it, because it does. When you start gardening, pay attention to it. Plant what you will eat and put it where you can take care of it. Be vigilant with it. Watch it for animals, things like that. Garden like your life depends on it, because it does. You need to eat. So guys, I want to thank Mimsey from Mimsey's Garden for inviting me to be a part of this collab, and we'll catch you later. Thank you from Crazy Days.